All right, welcome to episode 5 of Traders Selling Their Ass. Now, I hope you guys have been enjoying this show because it's only going to get a lot better. Today, we're featuring FX Alex.G. Now, this is a person who I've been around and enjoyed being around, but let's talk about how Alex actually makes money. There are a couple different ways. Now, does he trade? Absolutely not. But how does he do it? How can he have enough money to do the things he does in life? Well, for one, he owns a broker. And you have to remember with Forex, it's not centralized like the stock market where on one platform, it'll be the same price as the other. You can actually have different prices for the same symbol on different platforms. Now, how does Alex actually make money if he owns a broker? Well, think about it. If you're the broker or if you're the house, when you lose, Alex is the one collecting that. Now, the second way he makes money with his broker is he can wick you out because it's not centralized. You have to remember that. So the price on one platform can be different from the other. So a lot of people have been complaining about that. And honestly, if you go in the comments, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Now, how does Alex also make money? Well, the second main income stream is a funded account broker that he owns. Now, how do you make money from that as well? Well, if people are buying accounts and failing, Alex continues to make money because every time they fail, they have to buy more accounts. Now, has Alex ever placed a trade in real life on a real account? Maybe 6 years ago. But Alex absolutely does not trade, and those are the ways he makes money. Now, the first way is fraud. The second way is just the way of business because you know what you signed up for. You know you're buying a funded account. You know if you lose the account or fail the funded account, you have to buy it again. So you know what you signed up for, but the first way is absolutely fraud.